Welcome back, folks. Those who are interested, I'm giving you today's update. It's the 19th of August. It's Wednesday. It's a nice sunny day. I thought I'd take it for a low-level flight, just to keep you updated, to see what's happening regarding the waterworks behind Gordons Bay here in the Firlands area. Okay, you can have a look for yourself there. You can see quite a bit is going on. There the workers are down below, establishing that canal, pouring concrete down below, but I'll show you a lot more. There's a lot of footage still to edit, and I will keep you updated as we go. Have a look at this, enjoy the fine weather. It's summer is on its way. Look, we're looking forward to that, I'm sure. I'm sure you, like me, are also very excited about the new roadworks down the Solaris Pass Road into Gordons Bay. That has been the bane of Gordons Bay for so many years. I just remember when I was still a little child that road was the same. It's a dangerous road at the moment, so please be careful as it's been built. But we can look forward to that perhaps by the new year, a new road and our property values being increased due to the public works happening here. Very exciting.